Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. So DeepSeek has released a new model and the name is Deepseek R1 and it is completely open source and fully free to use. And the interesting thing is that it is beating the other popular paid models like OpenAI O1 and Claude 3.5 Sonnet. So here you see that on their official website they have done the announcement yesterday and they have also written that performance on comparable with OpenAI O1. So I will show you the benchmark differences and also I will show you another thing. On their Hugging Face page they have written that it is a good reasoning model, and also they have written we have open source Deepseek R1 0, Deepseek R1 and 6 dense models distilled from Deepseek R1 based on Llama and Qwen. What is the meaning of that? Here you see that outperforms OpenAI O1 mini. We know that OpenAI O1 mini is a paid model. If I want to use that, then we have to pay the $20. But here this DeepSeek R1 is completely beating this OpenAI O1 mini. So why will I pay this GPT this $20 or this $200, right? Now I will discuss about this dense model distilled. So let me show you that. Here you see, if I scroll down below, they have released DeepSeek R1 models, and another thing is that DeepSeek R1 distilled models. Now DeepSeek R1 models they have prepared from the base model DeepSeek V3. Okay, got the point? Now DeepSeek R1 distilled models are prepared based on DeepSeek R1, and they have used this base model like Qwen 2.5 and this Llama 3.1 and this 32 billion 14 billion model. So basically if you use this Qwen 2.5 32 billion or this 14 billion model, suppose you have asked a question and you got the accuracy 38%, right? Now if you use this DeepSeek R1 distill Qwen 14 billion, okay, then in that case the accuracy will be increased to something around 68%. Okay, means it can be increased to double or tripled. Okay, got the point? So this is the meaning of distilled. So basically this DeepSeek R1 is working as a draft model of this small base LLM model. Okay, so it is basically increasing the power of small model. I hope you got the point. Okay, so you can now use this DeepSeek R1 as a base model to increase the power of another small model. Okay, now on this Olama you will find this DeepSeek R1. Also you can use this DeepSeek R1 by visiting this chat.deepseek.com, where we tested the DeepSeek V3, or generally we use the DeepSeek. Okay, now how we can access this DeepSeek R1? So if I hover on this deep thing, okay, here you see that it is saying use Deepseek R1 to solve the reasoning problems. So on their official Hugging Face also they are saying. So if I scroll down below, they have written the same thing, that you can chat with Deepseek R1 on Deepseek official website chat.deepseek.com and switch on the button deep thing. So if you normally chat with this DeepSeek, it is the base model DeepSeek V3. But if you want to use the DeepSeek R1, then in that case, you have to click on this deep thing. Now it is a DeepSeek R1. Okay. Now we will test this model based on the some questions that I have prepared. Here is that some 10 challenging questions that I have. Each question have two options, pass and fail. Okay, and if it gives the correct answer, then I will mark it as a pass. Otherwise, I will mark it as a fail. Okay, simple. Now let me show you another thing. If I show you the benchmark, here you see that. By the way, I will keep this Hugging Face link in the description box. You can go there and check all of these things, and I will give you the just overview of this model. Okay, so you see that this is the column for the DeepSeek V3, and this is the column for this O1 mini, and this is the column for this OpenAI O1, and the last column is the DeepSeek R1. Okay, now we will go to this code. Okay, so for this code benchmark, here you see that code forces, and we will see. So the last column I told you that it is a DeepSeek R1. So you see that it is completely beating this OpenAI O1. OpenAI O1 is scoring 93.4. So this is the OpenAI O1 column. Yes, OpenAI O1 mini. It is scoring this 93.4, but this DeepSeek R1 is scoring 96.3, and also it is beating this DeepSeek V3 also. Okay, uh, So I hope you got the point what I want to tell you. You please visit this website and you explore this page. You will get more understanding about this model. Okay, now let me test this. But before that, another thing is that you can use this model for free if you visit this website chat.deepseek.com. But if you want to use the API, in that case you have to pay. So the amount is very much less than the OpenAI O1. Now if you see that difference here, you see that for 1 million token input price they are charging $0.14, and for 1 million tokens output price they are charging $2. Okay, but you see that in case of OpenAI O1, they are charging for this 1 million input token, they are charging $15. Oh my god. So basically there's a huge difference, right? So the OpenAI one charging $15, and this DeepSeek is charging let me show you that page. DeepSeek is charging $0.14, means not the $1 also. Okay, why there is so much difference, I don't know. But they are telling that Deepseek R1 is giving the same performance like the OpenAI one mini, so why will I pay, right? So let me test this. And another thing is that if you want to install these Deepseek R1 models locally, then just go to this olama.com, install the software Olama. It is a simple process. Next you have to do. And after that, here you see that they have given some parameterized model like 1.5 billion, 7 billion, 8 billion, 14, 32, 70, and 671. So I actually knew that the maximum size was this llama 450 billion, but here they have published 670 billion parameter model. Okay, so here you see that it is giving the same performance to the OpenAI one. So you go to this page. I have given this link in the description box, and according to your operating system, according to your space, like if you don't have enough space, then you can go for this 7 billion. By the way, you can, if you click on this drop down, then you will get the size. Okay, so just check your size, check your RAM space, then after that install that model accordingly. Okay, just copy this command and open any of your command prompt or terminal, right? And just paste it and press enter. It will be installed locally. Okay, after that you can use OpenWeb UI, or you can go with this terminal or command prompt also to ask the question. Now let me show you, or let me test this model in this using this chat.deepseek.com website. Okay, so first I will copy this question. Okay, the first question is a name a country whose name starts with letter S and ends with land, provides its capital city. Okay, so I will paste it and press enter. Here you see that it is thinking. So because it is a chain of thought, because we have turned on this deep think. Okay, now it will give me the answer. By the way, are you enjoying this video? Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, and please don't forget to like this video also, guys, because I am making this video for you only, and it really motivates me. If you like these videos, I will make many videos like this. Okay, so now our answer is ready. The country is Switzerland and its capital city is Bern. I will mark it as a pass. So I asked, actually the first letter should be S and the ends with land. So it should be Switzerland, right? It should be Switzerland. So we got the correct answer. I will mark it as a pass. So select as a pass. What is the smallest prime number greater than 100? Next question. Okay, so it should be 101. Now copy this and press paste here. Okay, so it will give me the answer 101. Okay, let's wait. So I am very happy with the procedure, because it is thinking step by step procedure. Here you see that 101. So I will mark it as a pass. Okay, it has passed till now. It has passed two questions. Now I will copy this question. Write a short poem where each line's first word, when read vertically, spells genius. So if I read vertically, it will spell genius. Okay. Now let's paste it, press enter. So it will write a poem where the first word for the each line, if I read vertically, it will tell you the genius. Okay, here you see that we got the output. So the first word is a G, next is the E and N. So if I write vertically, it is genius. Okay, so I am very happy with this output, guys. Let me know your thought also in the comment section. You please also try this model on your own, in your own system. You can download it locally and let me know in the comment section also. Okay. Now the next question is that identify an English noun that is a palindrome and has 7 letters and relates to water. This is a very good question and very challenging question also. And they have made this model for the good reasoning purpose also. Okay. Because if a model can solve the reasoning question, then it has a good capability, right? So it is thinking in all of the ways. And so the question was that identify an English noun that is a palindrome. So it should be palindrome. It should have 7 letters and also relates to water. So there are 3 criteria it should follow. Okay, it is thinking now also. Here you see that it has found some words, but as there are 3 criteria, so it is thinking in all of the perspectives, and I really like it. Because in case of ChatGPT, when I gave this to ChatGPT, it gave me the answer within a 30 seconds, but here you see that it is taking so much time. But time doesn't matter, answer should matter. It should give the correct answer. But a model should think in all of the perspective, like here you see that it is doing all of the things. Okay, it has given me a C mass. Okay, C mass. uh, C mass. It is palindrome, corrections, straights. The intended word is likely C mass, but not standard UNA. Okay, it is telling that the accurate answer is straights, but it is not a palindrome. The question is tricky. The correct answer is actually C moon, but it is straight, not the standard English. So they are saying that it should be C mass. Okay, okay. Okay, C mass, switches the correct answer. Okay, it is doing the refining. After the refining, it has found this word C maze. Okay, ACAM. Okay, it is a palindrome. See, guys, it is a palindrome. Okay, so I will mark it as a pass. Okay, I will mark it as a pass. Let me know your thought also in the comment section. So now I will go for the next question. If a group of students consists of 60% girls and 40% boys, and there are 90 students in total, how many girls are in the group? So just copy this question and paste here. Answer should be 54. Let's see that it has the capability or not. Okay, okay. It is writing the step-by-step procedure. You should give the answer in a little bit of time. Yes, we got the answer 54 girls. So just mark it as a pass. Okay, mark it as a pass. Next question. A person buys a pizza with 12 slices. They eat 1/4 of it and later they share 1/3 of the remaining slices with a friend. How many slices do they have left? This is a little bit tricky question. Okay, very challenging question. Just give it a good reasoning question it is. And let's see that it has the capability or not to solve this question. Don't forget to like this video also, guys, if you are enjoying this video, because I make this type of videos, detailed explanation videos for you guys only. Here you see that we got the answer 6 slices left. Okay, so it should pass the question. Here you see I have marked it as a pass. Next question. Lisa has 2 siblings. By the way, all of these answer I have already verified. I know the answer. That's why I'm marking is it as a pass. Okay. You can also cross verify this. You can also paste the same question and check the answer. Okay. And now let me copy the next question. Lisa has 2 siblings, each of whom has 2 children, including Lisa. How many people are in the immediate family? This is the question. So let me paste it here. Okay. Answer should be 7. Okay. Because I actually cross verified the same question in the GPT-4 and also in the DeepSeek V3, and we got the same answer 7. So it should be 7. Yeah, we got the 7 answer. I will mark it as a pass. See guys, till now it has passed all of the reasoning question, all of the English question, and all of the um, this here you see that mathematics question, and now we will test some mathematics plus coding question. Next question is that if a regular octagon has a side length of 10 units, calculate its perimeter. Okay, so this is a very interesting mathematics question. Uh, so it should give the answer within a short period of time. Yeah, we got the answer 80. It's a correct answer. Now I will mark it as a pass. Now the next question is to create an HTML button that displays a random motivational quote each time it is clicked. Add CSS styling to make the button visually appealing. Okay, this is a coding question and I will paste it here. So it will give me the HTML code and JavaScript code and the CSS. Just simple code, and here you see that it is writing this internal CSS, which is very fine. Uh, yeah, it is giving me the code. Yeah, I am very happy with this code, and now I will mark it as a pass. Okay, you can try different types of hard coding question also, like habit tracker and like fitness tracker dashboard. This type question also you can try on your own. Okay, now or if you want me to make a video, separate video on this, then just comment below in the comment section. I will make that also. Okay. Now the next question is, write a Python function to generate the first 10 numbers in the Fibonacci sequence. Just copy this question and just paste it. I hope it will pass this last question also. Now if it can pass the last question, then all of the question it got passed, and I will be very happy with this model. Maybe I will use this model as a replacement of GPT-1 because they are, I don't want to pay the $20 because here this model has a deep think capability and we are getting the correct output also. Then why will I go for this GPT-4o and I will pay the $20? No, I will not, right? So here you see that I got the answer. Now I will mark it as a pass. So I think you found this detailed explanation, detailed experimental video guys helpful, and if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe this channel. And also I have given this Hugging Face page link in the description box. You please also explore the page and you will get more information like how they have trained this model. So here you see that to develop this Deepseek R1 they have used two reinforcement learning stages and two fine-tuning stages. Okay, they are also using this reinforcement learning technique. You remember some days ago I made a video on this. Let me found this video. uh, uh, this was the video. So this was this OpenAI one is dangerous. This was the video, and in that video I discussed that OpenAI is actually using this reinforcement technique, and here also they have used the same technique, reinforcement learning. Okay, uh, so this was the video that I wanted to share with you. This was the information, and if you found this video helpful, so please like this video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and let me know your thought, and let you please try this model on your own in your own laptop, and let me know the result in the comment section. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.